The usability and the feature set of this box is amazing. Hey, I'm Shaun Miller from Rolling Hills Community Church, and I got to check out the BG Stream DE from BZBGear. So today I'm here in our video cafe. This is on site at our main campus. Our main auditorium is in another room across campus here. We are actually streaming into here over the network using NDI today. It's on the network, and we're able to just get a whole other venue for 300 more people able to come in and hear the gospel on our church services with a box like this. It's quite powerful in the sense that it can dual stream and dual record simultaneously. The BG Stream DE comes in two different flavors. It has a Dante AV backend or an NDI backend. One of the best features of this box is the fact that you can send an HDMI, SDI video feed into it, and it's going to encode it as either Dante AV or NDI, putting it on your network. Then if you had another one of these boxes sitting on your network elsewhere, it can take that NDI feed, Dante AV feed, and come out HDMI into a projector, into a TV. The other great thing, so while this is encoding and decoding, it also has this USB 3 port on the front. Plug in any standard USB 3 SSD, a high capacity flash drive, something like that. So you've got your streamed content going out, but now you have a local hard copy that has now been recorded that you can archive, you can hand out, whatever your uses are for it. But now I have one box that can do that. I only have to get it one program feed, and now I'm getting a captured signal and my stream signal out of this. The other cool thing is it has the ability to dual record, and so it can create a second video file. It can create one that's less quality if you're trying to just for archival purposes, or it'll do an audio only, which I thought was very interesting, and I don't see that too often. So I could have a second file that's just audio. I want to upload that as a podcast or this or that. It's just taking one more step out of my workflow where I've got to go in and now strip that out and do those things. This thing is just putting it onto a USB stick for me already. So you've got your LEDs on this side that are just giving you status inputs. If it's using SDI, HDMI, it's recording, it has an input. And then you've got your quick functions. Let's say it's sitting there and you need to just go. You just hit your record button, you hit your stream button, and it's going to what you've pre-programmed it. The overall size of this is really impressive, that it's able to do as much as it can, and I love that it has SDI on it. But then the web interface, I love. Being able to go in and it looks clean, it's understandable, and I was able to just click, 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 and get streaming. And so it was really laid out well to just get up and going quickly. And so I'm an IT guy, I have IT background, but what I loved was I could hand this over to somebody that isn't, and they could get it going quickly.